Hey! So we're dyeing my hair today. I enjoy being warm better, but you know, like, the thing is, I'm kind of sick of my hair being dead. That way, as my hair gets longer, I don't have to keep dyeing my roots because my hair is so damaged I don't want to put any more bleach on it. I'm using, I don't care what I'm using this. Am I a beauty guru yet? My hair looks so gross! I have school tomorrow. This is the most ratchet thing on the planet. So I obviously don't know what I'm doing. So life is great. Hey guys! Today's video was supposed to look a lot different than this. The reason why this video was supposed to look completely different from this was because I already filmed this video. It was just messy and sloppy and not cute. As you can see, my hair is brown. Now let me explain why hair is a huge part of this video.
That was cringy. I'm gonna stop.
So about a month ago, a company called Irresistible Me reached out and wanted to collab. They were going to send me a full set of hair extensions. Your girl needs it. When I ordered the hair, I was blonde. And yeah, when I first received the hair, I was also blonde. Insert pictures and videos of me wearing the hair and how it was just amazing. The only thing that I'd have to say about the hair, there's nothing wrong with the hair, it's something wrong with me. My hair is so thin and so short and so bluntly just chopped off that there was no blending. Since my hair was blonde, it was a lot more noticeable than someone who wore extensions who had dark hair. When I decided to dye my hair brown, I realized that I would also have to dye the extensions. I thought that this would be a good way to prove to you guys that this is quality hair. What Irresistible Me is providing is real hair that you can dye, you can curl. Let me tell you, it's great because I have short hair and I've always wanted long hair. I'm gonna show you what they look like now. I hate myself and I'm proud. I need to shut up. This is the hair. It came in like a super cute box. And the hair actually came in like this like baggy thing, but it was like fancy. I got these 16-inch 140 grams, I guess, clip-in extensions. This is in the shade Platinum Blonde. This is an exact match of what my hair was before I dyed it. I'll be honest, if you get the Platinum Blonde and your hair is more like cool toned, you might have to tone them with like purple shampoo or even just a normal hair toner. You can wash them like normal, you can curl them like normal, and you can dye them like normal, which I think is really cool because it is real hair. Oh my god, look, I can have blonde hair again. Look, Megan is back. Oh, I'm gonna show you how I put them in when this hair is brown. It comes with a decent amount of hair. Like, for me, this is like a whole ponytail. But as you can see, it's like super, super soft and silky. And the color is like pretty spot on for it to be like platinum blonde. These are like very good quality and I'm so happy to have them. They smell good to me. Now the best part about this kit, this is their 4-clip left. This thing has so much hair on it. It literally has there's more hair on this than I have hair on my head. I love it a lot. And the best part is that Irresistible Me is now selling this like individually. You can get just this 4-clip left by itself. I ordered the 16-inch 140 grams, but they sent me the 16-inch 200 grams, so this is actually the 200 grams. The best part about them selling this by itself is probably that if you already have long hair and you're just looking for some kind of volumizer, you literally can just add this and it's like perfect and it will probably blend so well. Honestly, I think I appreciate these a lot more because I fully and like emotionally regret cutting my hair. Irresistible Me was nice enough to give me a link for you guys so that if you want these, you get 20% off. And y'all know hair extensions are typically expensive, especially if it's good quality like this. And honestly, their website is pretty affordable already. And then plus the 20% off coupon, like that's amazing. But like look at this. This is a whole like, this is a thick ponytail.
One eternity later.
Hi. Okay, I thought I like looked cute and then I saw myself in the viewfinder and I was like, no. So the hair extensions have officially been dyed. I need to brush them out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from the top of my ear and go like right behind it and then just go straight across the back. Okay, so I'm just tying it up like this. This is what a look. Ew, no. I'm gonna take the hair from here and twist it into like a little bun. And then I'm just bobby pinning it in place. This is when I take the 4-clip weft, that huge one. I keep my natural hair in the front tucked behind my ears. I take the 3-clip wefts first. And I'll put this one like right above my ear. You can't like tease your hair. It makes it a lot easier for the hair to actually stick. But I'm actually not too picky about that. But like see, this is here. I'll usually just like clip this all the way underneath. And they are in. So this is it. This is me with the extensions in. And this definitely blends a lot better than when my hair was blonde. So, I mean, if you have brown hair, there you go. If you have blonde hair, you're just gonna have to work with it a little bit more. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and follow my Instagram because it's clout. I'm sorry. You're probably gonna unsubscribe now. But yeah. Don't forget if you want to get some, don't forget that if you want to check out Irresistible Me, their links will be down in this, just if I can speak. If you want to check out Irresistible Me's website, you can just look for the links in the description. They will be there. And a link to get 20% off your own hair extensions will be down there as well. Anyways, I love you. And I'll see you next time. I don't like have a specific intro or outro and I don't know what to do about it.